Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to be introducing you to the clinical psychology community here at 1Cademy. As you may know, this is a remote internship that focuses on collaborative research, and this particular community is of course going to be focused on clinical psychology, psychopathology, and other related interdisciplinary areas of the study. So just to give you guys a brief introduction of who I am, my name is Vivian Kim. I graduated from Kalamazoo College recently in 2025, and I got a bachelor's in psychology along with anthropology and sociology. I have been working with the 1Cademy community for about 2 years, a little bit over. I was a research intern for about 11 months in this community, and then I was promoted to co-leader with my co-leader Lisa Shokran, and now I'm starting to take over as she is focusing on grad school. So in general, for the overall community goals for the clinical psychology community, we're going to focus primarily on helping you guys to gain valuable experience. So that'll include things like helping to strengthen your research skills, your presentation skills, your ability to concisely convey the information that you want to convey. We're also going to be collaborating with the other community members remotely so that we can all review and discuss the current research and also expand each other's knowledge. So in terms of the expectations for the interns, you can expect to do maybe like 5 to 10 hours of work per week. It's pretty manageable. The two main things that are going to be your responsibilities are doing your own independent research and literature reviews, and then attending our meetings. So in terms of research, you're going to read and summarize and break down relevant scholarly articles, of course citing everything correctly. You also are able to share your independently conducted research. Many of our interns are also in school at the moment. So if, for example, you are conducting any experiments for your classes, you're also welcome to share that with our community. You are expected to upload at least 10 notes per week. So notes are going to be how you're going to share your summarized research articles. And then in terms of the meetings, we do have weekly meetings. That's going to happen on Sundays at 1 p.m. Central Time. We do cancel a lot of meetings for like holidays or things like that. So there is going to be some flexibility that I will communicate, but in general, we do try to meet every week. And then within the context of those meetings, you will be expected to present your research at least once a month. But also, if you do want to present more, that is more than welcome, and that will also help us to determine people who might want to move up to become co-leaders alongside me. And then during those meetings, we do want to make sure that you guys are engaging in the community discussions, helping to identify the gaps in the current research, sharing your feedback with your other community members, so on and so forth. We are also hoping to begin moving on to some further research. So we'll collaborate with each other to identify research questions that we would like to work on. If you're conducting your own research, you are of course welcome to share that with us. But also, if you're not able to conduct like your own experiments, we will be also able to analyze public data sets, and we will also have AI assistance through the 1Cademy platform in order to help kind of streamline that process. Alrighty, so if you guys have any questions, you can email me at the clinical psych community email, which is going to be clinicalpsych1cademy@gmail.com. Or if you're having any technical difficulties as it comes to like working the platform, completing tutorials, things like that, you can contact the creator of the platform, Iman at honor.education. Thank you all so much, and I'm looking forward to working alongside you guys.